Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to add testimonials on Wix. First, go to your site. Once in, go to the left panel and click Add Elements. Now choose Strip. Here you can see testimonials. Click on it and it will show you templates that you can choose from. Click on one and now it was added to your site. You can drag it to a place where you want it to be. Now, you can also change its picture. Click on Change Background and choose Image. Here, upload the image that you want. Once done, click Change Background. And as you can see, it is now added to your testimonials. Now you can edit the text of it. You can also change the name. Then you can also change the background color. Just choose a color that matches your site. You can also change the size of the text and the font. And you can also do that to the other one. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.